In this lesson, you're going to learn how to insert rows, insert columns, delete cells, and insert cells. So let's say, for example, I want to insert a row between Tom and the first row. Okay. Remember, when you're inserting rows, whatever row you're going to insert is going to come to the top. So the first thing you need to do is select the bottom cell where you want this the inserted row to be inserted. So if I select row 2, whatever I'm going to insert is going to come on top. So once it's selected, I can either choose right click on it to insert the row, and the row is going to be inserted up, and if I press Ctrl Z to undo that, I can also use the home ribbon, then go to the insert, then insert rows. Both of them do the same function. So what if I want to insert a column? Whatever column you're going to insert is always going to go to the left hand side of the current one that is selected. So let's say I want to insert a row between D and E. I have to select E, right click on it, insert, and a column is going to be produced on the left. If I press Ctrl Z to undo that, or I use the undo function over here, then if I go to the home tab, then select insert, then insert sheet columns, the same function applies. So whatever row that I select, whatever column I select, the inserted column is always going to come to the left hand side. If I want to delete a cell and I press the word delete, I've just deleted the contents. I've not deleted the cell. If I press Ctrl Z and I right click on it, then select delete, now this is going to delete a cell. It's not going to delete the contents. So once I select right click and select delete, Excel is going to ask me what it's going to do after deleting. The first option it has given me is going to tell me that once I delete everything, the cells below it are going to be shifted up. I can also select to shift the cells left, to delete the entire row, or to delete the entire column. So once I delete, by default Excel is going to shift the cells up. So whatever information is down here is going to go up. So if I press OK, all the information that was below has gone up. And that is how you use the delete function on Excel. That is how you insert rows in Excel, and that is how you insert columns in Excel. See you in the next lesson.